Hello, this is Ubuntu Problems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your slides in LibreOffice Impress. So first thing we need to do is to view master slide. So the next step is to insert my banner page. And I'm going to insert it down the side here. So we click on Insert, Image, and then I choose my banner page. Then I move it to where I want it to be. Okay, that looks good. Then I go to File, Templates, Save as Template. Choose where I want to store it. I've created a category called Python Statistical. Then I give it a name. Save. So if you want to create your own category, all you need to do is go to File, Templates, Manage Templates. And there's a little gear icon. You just click on that and then click on New Category. And you put in the category name that you want. And then if you have a look, you'll see that there's a new category there called Python Stats that we just created. And that is done. So when I start LibreOffice Impress, I go and choose that new template I created. Open. And here it is, and I can do new slide and it will keep that banner page in place, and I can change the layouts and it will still have that banner page in place. So that's how you customize your LibreOffice Impress slides. That's the end of this short video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. If you really like it, subscribe to Ubuntu Problems. Thank you for watching.